Yes, family. Good morning. Good morning. It's another great rise, you know? Yeah, as we say, I always have to give thanks for the blessing every day we wake up, you know? So, because tomorrow is not promised. You see me? So right now I am in the middle of setting up my little garden irrigation system. So I started already. Heat gun here. So I got my heat gun. Got my garden hose, right, my irrigation hose that I run all the way down already, all the way down to the last garden. And then, as you can see, let me give you a close up here. I already started one of the hoses, right? So all you need to do is connect them. So I have 4 connectors here that I can run, right? So I can run it long enough to where the garden is covered completely, right? And then once it come on now to irrigate the garden. So that's what I'm put on one hose already. So now I have to figure out where I want the rest of my hoses. So maybe I put one right here. Where's my scissors? So can do now is just use the heat gun. Warm it up. I miss some love my gadgets, you know. Anything gonna make the work look easier for me, you know I'm going to use it. See? Hose is on. Get another sprinkler. Heat this up. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the if you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and check it out. But the deck project, you know, coming on nicely. Yeah. So I'm bridging them passed through yesterday, and I wouldn't even say help me out because them the most of the work. So, but yeah, it was a good look. You know, everybody chip in and help me out for get this thing put together. You know. So yeah, if you haven't checked it out yet, definitely go check it out. Okay. Nice little fun time. So I said them put me to work with the cooking. So while they were cooking, while I was cooking, they were doing most of the work. And I really appreciate that, you know. So at least if I couldn't contribute on the cooking side, at least we could have, or on the work side, we could have feed them, you know. And that's what it's all about. Teamwork make the dream work. So in this one garden, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to bury these in the garden. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to run maybe 2 more hoses. One here, one there. Alright, so let's heat this up. Burn it to them. Alright. Get this a little bit closer so they can see exactly what's happening. Alright, so you see the other hose connect. So now just need my distance. why my scissors keep disappearing. Will they help me find the scissors now? Let's see. It's almost. You get using your tools and you can't find them. I'm sure it's not that far, you know. Sure it's somewhere here. Leave the dog take it. I don't know. But you know what? I have my knife. So until I buck up the scissors again, I'm gonna use my knife. Same concept. So next hole is gonna start. Hole's gonna be here. Yeah, same thing. Make sure I put my knife back in my pocket. So that should do. This is going to be four hoses. So this right here. I don't want to use this one. I want this one. All right, so one more hose. Move the camera here so you guys can see. All right, that's good. Last hose will be here. I can cover it up. Here. This up. There. All right. So all I got to do now, hold on, let me find my little. I don't have my little trowel. But anyway, what's gonna happen is we're going to, as you can see, pour them sprinkler them, right? And they're all connected right there. So I'm gonna have to do that all the way down into these gardens right here. That garden and the one on the far end over there. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and run all these, and then we'll check back in when it's completed, and we're going to test it out. All right. So stay tuned. We'll check back in shortly. Oh, and before I tune out, here's the connector. There's an automatic connector. We can set the time and everything, right? And that will set it on a watering cycle where it water the garden. So yeah, just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this together and then we'll check back in. Alright, so I'll see you shortly. Alright, check in. So yeah, let me show now I go on now. So here's the hoses. Alright. Run them all the way through the garden. All the way through the garden. That's the last one there. Alright, so yeah, I test it out a little bit to see how it works. But I'm gonna test out again so I can see how it look, you know. So hold on a minute. Let me set up the water system here so I can see what I'm going. See, I'll try to set up the camera. Alright, hold on. Alright, level. Yeah, so let's set up the timer here. Zone. What's up time? What time is it? 13:54, 13:56. Alright. Time is set. So yeah, alright, time is set. So should be coming on in about a minute. But yeah man, I can't wait for this cold weather. It's still cold, you know. As you can see, me have on me. Still have on not too bad today still. I think of 40s. So not too bad today, you know. So but it's not time for plant yet. So next thing I have to go do is plant the seeds them inside. So alright, we're not gonna say with that, you know, but usually I plant all of my plants them indoor first and grow them because that's what I say with up here because you know spring start but it still get cold and you know when plant your plants them and then next thing you know you get a cold snap and it kill everything, you know. So probably about mid to late April before the plants them ready to go to plant outside. So what we do now, we just grow them inside and then wait till the temperature outside right, you know, for the ground warm up to a certain temperature for certain days, you know, and then we can go ahead and transplant them. So grow them inside. See there? Alright, see there? Yeah. The garden get covered. Walk on the line, you know. So what me do now, I set it for like 10 minutes. Right? And what happen now is, let me see if I can zoom in on it there so I can see it. Yeah. I'm gonna set it now for 10 minutes and then we can adjust them so the entire garden is covered. See it? Just adjust them when we need to adjust them. And that way the entire garden covered. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Can see it. Entire garden. I get watered. Yeah. Yeah. So I might have to change out this one because let's see. I'm not going on with that one yet still. So this is a different cap, but at least the water still a run out, you know. And when there's a different one, I don't have any more of these. This particular cap, so I'll have to get some more and just switch that one out. But yeah, man, that's enough water in my garden, you know. Yeah, man, everything ready up now. Yeah, you see. So that is it, enough, family. Yeah, man, garden ready up and ready for water up and thing, you know. Yeah. So yeah, man, until the next chapter, you know. Next thing I have to do now, I have to go ahead and do my indoor planting, you know. So that's the next thing I'm gonna do. So I will show you my little grow bed setup and do that, you know. So until the next time, wanna stay tuned. As I say, like, comment, share, turn on your notifications. Alright? And we'll check in for the next one. Alright? God bless.